Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy a vacation home, follow these step-by-step instructions to make a smart investment that provides both enjoyment and financial benefits. Step 1. Determine your budget and financing options, keeping in mind that vacation home loans typically require larger down payments of at least 10% to 20% and may have higher interest rates than primary residence mortgages. Step 2. Choose a location based on your vacation preferences, proximity to your main home, rental income potential, and long-term appreciation prospects. Popular vacation destinations often offer better rental opportunities. Step 3. Decide whether you'll use the home primarily for personal enjoyment, rent it out to generate income, or a combination of both. This decision affects your financing, tax implications, and property features you should prioritize. Step 4. Research local rental markets if you plan to rent the property, analyzing average rental rates, occupancy rates throughout the year, competition from other rentals, and any local regulations on short-term rentals. Step 5. Calculate all costs beyond the mortgage, including property taxes, insurance, homeowners association fees, utilities, maintenance, property management fees if renting, and travel costs to visit the property. Step 6. Get pre-approved for a vacation home loan by providing financial documentation to lenders. Be prepared for stricter qualification requirements compared to primary residence mortgages. Step 7. Work with a local real estate agent who knows the vacation market in your chosen area and can help you find properties that meet your needs while navigating local regulations and market conditions. Step 8. Inspect the property thoroughly, especially if it's in a location prone to weather events like hurricanes or winter storms. Ensure it's well maintained and won't require expensive immediate repairs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.